Hi, I'm Caroline Goslin with Prominent Properties Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to one of Maplewood's best kept secrets. High on South Mountain, this rustic bungalow cuts a modest figure, but it's anything but. Gustav Stickley designed and built this home during the arts and crafts era in the early 1900s. He designed it to be a summer retreat from New York City that is warm and inviting. Its authentic charm and character has been well maintained over the years. Let's go take a look. You can feel the functional energy and rustic vibe the moment you enter the home. The entryway is unassuming. You then step into the spiritual and physical center of the home. All of the materials that you'll see were purposefully designed to create a warm and inviting refuge. You'll notice the chestnut paneling, the beamed ceilings, the hardwood maple floors, and while the lights above me were not original to the home, they were custom designed by the previous owner, Paul Marantz, a well-known lighting designer in the industry. Speaking of lighting, and again in true arts and crafts style, you'll notice the natural light pouring in from all of the windows that surround this room. And one of my favorite spots is this beautiful window bench overlooking the front lawn. The magnificent floor-to-ceiling fieldstone fireplace with a hearth covered in original Gruby tiles is what I consider one of the home's chief beauties. Another unique feature are the Stickley cabinets with original hardware that flank the dining room. The simplicity and ease of use is yet another nod to the arts and crafts era. The combination of old and new really comes together in this kitchen. It was completely gutted and redesigned, but still harbors many details that are indicative to the arts and crafts movement. On one side, you have an elegant cornufait range, which is surrounded by custom country-like cabinets adorned with vintage hardware. To bring the outdoors in, the countertops are an aquamarine quartzite. Oh, and a fun fact, the pie crust pendant lighting was restored by the same artist who restored the lights at the White House. And right off the kitchen is the spacious screened-in porch and patio, which is nestled in the hillside. A tranquil spot to immerse yourself in the nature that surrounds you. On the second level, you'll truly understand the connection to nature that sets this home apart. Windows and natural light are carried throughout, making the main bedroom feel very light and airy. And another special feature of this home is located in the ensuite bath, a Japanese soaking tub that was imported directly from Tokyo. I like to call the outdoors an enchanted garden. You are surrounded by majestic trees and evergreens, and fieldstone steps and pathways are speckled throughout. Thank you for joining me on the tour of this lovely, well-preserved home from the arts and crafts era. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?